What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Spell token, which has been quite volatile over the last few days. As you guys can see, major pump here on the 22nd of Feb and then a little bit of a dip here yesterday, and right now it is slowly starting to recover, but it is down 0.16% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, so we're going to be looking at, is Spell token going to pump back up in value anytime soon, and if so, how high will it go? Can it potentially head above 0.001 cents over the next couple of days or weeks? And looking at, should you buy it after it's dripped down a little bit in value? Should you sell it if you are still on a profit before it crashes back further, or should you simply hold on to it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, how high and how low can Spell token go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Spell token, which is here in purple. And we got the actual value of Spell token here in green, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from the crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be hovering over 0.00085 cents, so at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, do expect the crypto to hit red candles as well as green candles. It will be quite volatile, but again guys, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. So heading over this value here is what I'm expecting from the crypto by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected from Spell token over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially by the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a much higher value, and yes guys, I'm expecting it to head back above 0.001 cent is what I'm expecting. So by the end of next week, it should be back up to where it was trading at on the 22nd of Feb, which was 2 days ago. However, don't expect it to be consistently hitting green candles. It is likely to hit red candles in between as well. Again, it is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. So heading over 0.001 cents in value is what is expected. Moving on to the daily chart now, we are looking a little bit too steep. We got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. The only reason it is looking so steep heading upwards is because of the major pump that's taken place earlier on in the week. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next couple of weeks. However, that is not the case. I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a dip down over the coming 2 to 3 weeks, going for a price correction before it slowly starts to gain value, heading to around the 0.002 cents in value in April, May is what my expectations are at the moment. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is, so if there are any major changes to that, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, this will more than likely have an impact on the crypto market. but as I get more data and more analysis on the Bitcoin halving, I will give you guys more information on that. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But at the moment, Spell token is on its way towards the bullish side for the next couple of weeks and months as well. So for those of you guys who are looking to invest into it right now, I would recommend DCA, dollar cost averaging. This is a technique which I have been using for majority of my investment, because it works out very well, especially when the crypto market is down or whether it's pumping as well. It gives you the average value, or depending on how long you're trying to spread it across. So yeah, Spell token, so far so good for the long term. However, for the short term, I would be careful, especially with the price correction that I'm expecting over the coming 2 to 3 weeks, like I mentioned earlier on in the video. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale here, we do have it trading in the red zone at the moment, and it should essentially hit the resistance target here in early to mid-April and potentially break out in late April, May, heading over the 2 cents target, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped down quite heavily, 78% down, guys, making it $43 million in trading. Reason it's dropped so much is because of the drop in value from Spell token yesterday and today as well. Not many people are trading it right now. Most people are just holding back, waiting for the crypto to crash further or to pump back up in value so that they can either buy or sell the crypto. And especially after the major pump that took place earlier on this week, there's been a lot of more people trading the crypto all up until it started, I wouldn't say crashing, but dropping in value yesterday. Most people are just holding back onto the crypto. So can this crypto hit the 1 cent target, guys? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. As personally, I am not expecting Spell token to be hitting the 1 cent target at least for the next 18 to 24 months, because it is going to require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Spell token anytime soon. But I have seen some crazy predictions in my comment section down below, so let me know how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.